Hi everyone, welcome back. Now in the previous video you see me go to the woodyard to purchase these beams. Well, we was going to unload them last night and I said to Tom, wait 1 second, we've got nowhere to put them. I need to work on them, need to sand them, there's no room in the cottage, so before we get started in any installation of these, they've got to be worked, they've got to be sanded. But I need to do it somewhere nice and dry, so I've got a space over here, or rather I will have a space over here, so let's go and see what it's going to take to get these in there. It's a nice sized hanger, I can get loads of stuff in here as you can see. It's full up with quite a lot of stuff, so we need to have a bit of a shuffle around in here. So I'm going to need an extra pair of hands. On comes my son Tom. Hey, hi mate.
Yeah, how's it going, Dad?
Yeah.
Hello everyone.
Yeah. Right, I know you've been on at me for ages. Sort this place out.
Yeah.
And he's going to help me. Get this tidied up and get those beams set up on the trestles over here.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah. So yeah. Who likes tidy up videos? Tom does. Right, let's get started.
Come on.
So, what we're going to do is clear all of this. Eventually I will be putting the caravan back in here. Okay, let's get tidying up and get rid of those brambles. Right, get the video over spread.
Yeah, remember this, Dad?
What's that?
Little fireplace here.
Yeah,
Little stove top.
little stove. I think we used that in the pig barn a few years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a lovely little thing, this.
You lift it up.
So we lift it up.
Yeah.
Let's put it outside a minute. Yeah, it's quite a good little thing actually. Kicked out quite a bit of heat. I'll tell you where I'll use this.
Yeah.
When I was working for Michael Peverick, when we was working in his cottage, just reminded me now when I looked at the back of the flue. It was freezing cold in there one winter, and I said to him, I've got a little stove at home, maybe I'll bring it in. And we had this running for a little while, and we got it so hot, I think something melted inside or broke. Anyway, Michael replaced the element inside. I think it was that grill.
Yeah, the grills do.
Yeah, the grill. And yeah, but it did keep us warm in there. Maybe we'll fire this up.
Yeah.
We need to keep warm today. But yeah, that'd be a welcome addition. Maybe put a kettle on it and have a cup of tea.
Yeah, cup of tea.
So you keep going in and out with our dirty stuff on indoors. Okay, right, we'll put this to one side. Right, with this hanger, it's got a really good roof on it. A little bit of dry storage. We'll definitely need that. Right, let's get back to work, Tom. Well, we're getting there. It is slow progress, but I don't want to move it somewhere then have to keep moving it after that. At the same time, I don't want the brambles to eat it. But yeah, quite a big space here. We got this to go to the tip. We can't load the trailer because we've got the beams on at the moment, so we're just going to move that to one side. Oh, lovely old hall lantern. It's not in the rain or anything out here, but yeah, it's too good to be stuck there for sure. Look at that.
Maybe you'll put it in the cottage? Or was it a bit big?
No, it's okay. I do need to get a piece of glass cut for the bottom, which I knew about.
Yeah, it's a bit
But
bulky.
the glass on the side, absolutely perfect. We'll put that to one side. That's a maybe for the cottage.
Well, I don't know about you, Dad, but I fancy a cup of coffee.
Great idea.
Yeah, should we get that fire lit then?
Yeah. I don't think it's going to rain. Should we stick it outside?
Yeah.
Probably.
Just to the side there, yeah.
About you.
Yeah, we got a fire alarm we can put it on as well, haven't we?
Yeah. Have I showed you this, Tom? It's got, isn't it? Yeah. Fire back on it, isn't it? Yeah. Aaron. No, Aaron.
Yeah, it says Aron, yeah.
I think there's something to do with the Greek mythology of.
And indeed, Aron is a village or town in the Mayenne.
Ah. Now I'm sure when I purchased this, I got it home and I'll look that up, but now it's just going to be the base for the fire. Make sure there's no unwanted creatures or visitors inside before I light it up.
We don't want to be eating fried spider, do we?
No. Okay. That looks okay. So I've got a bag of wood here. So Tommy's going to do the honours. So what you got there, mate? Firelighter?
Yep, some firelighters. A few little pieces.
Is that
Pine.
pine? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I feel warmer already. Gonna need a kettle.
Yeah.
So you're the pit master today, Tom.
Yep, I guess I am.
You got any steak to go on there for later?
Yeah, steak and a couple of beers tonight once we're finished.
Right. We're nearly there, mate. We'll soon have a nice cup of coffee to warm us up.
Nice hot beverage.
Yeah. Well, I found one trestle. There's another one somewhere. Oh, well.
That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. All you need sometimes, eh? Just a hot drink.
Yep.
I think what I'll do when I get to put the caravan back in here is get some membrane down and some stone and make a good job of it. That way it's got a nice hard standing.
Up this one.
You walk round that side if need be, probably won't. Down. Back straight. Now they've got a chance to dry out nicely before I work them. Oh, well, that is it for this video. We've done really well, Tom. Cheers, mate.
You're welcome.
Nice space. We've got these lifted off.
Yeah.
Now they can be drying out as mentioned.
I reckon they're about 100 kilos each, yeah.
Yeah. No problem whatsoever. So yeah, nice through draft in here, no rain. They need to dry out a little bit. Okay, that is it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.
Bye for now.
Bye for now. It was good, wasn't it?